This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 11 of the Space Marine Thunderfire Cannon tutorial. To start off, we're going to go to the front view here and grab all these verts on the top. Open up the remove tool, and we're just going to increase the height of it. The front view again, because you can see it's actually a bit taller than I had it before. So, oops, front. Alright. Select this, vertex, and just increase these as well. So it's just below. Okay, go into perspective, and I guess we can increase these ones as well. Just raise them a bit. Okay. Now we're going to work on this piece here. So go into the left-hand view, and let's actually go to the top view. It's probably a better place to do this. Select these vertices and just bring it in until it looks kind of even. Okay. Select this. Just line it up in the center here. On the left view. Okay. Grab these verts here and use the scale tool to scale it in just slightly so that it kind of has a smooth curve. Then we're going to want to, let's see, select all these polygons. Okay. Inset about, well, that actually looks pretty good. So inset is about 1. Press grow. And deselect all the interior stuff. Go back into perspective. You want to extrude it about 0.5. Okay. Select the edges there and deselect these interior ones. Okay, looks pretty good. And then you're going to want to give them a chamfer. Alright, and let's see. Select this edge and this edge, and this edge. Alright, there we go. Connect. We're going to want to connect it 2 segments. Pinch them a bit so they're about the same width as these sides. And do that. This is actually positioned pretty good, so leave it there. Next, select the polygon, inset it by 0. Okay, and scale it inwards a bit. Extrude it by 0.5. Select the edges and chamfer them 0.16, which is the same as the other one. Okay, next let's move this to where it's actually supposed to be, which is over here. Go on the top, Just make sure it's lined up close as you can get it. Okay, looks pretty good. Perspective. Next we're going to want to create a cylinder using AutoGrid. And we'll just position it right there for now. Make it about a radius of 4.591. Go in the front view. Make the height about I'm going to say 3.451. Give it 0 segments. Back into perspective here, and that's actually a bit long. Let's decrease the height to about 3. Okay, looks, actually increase the size to about 20. Right, convert it to an editable poly. Select the edges, and give it a chamfer. Make it kind of big and give it 2 segments. Okay. Sorry. And materials, just make it gray. Okay. Select that. Inset it. Inset it about 1. Then extrude it about inset 1, extrude by about 0.3. Select those edges, chamfer, bring it back down to 1 segment. Give it a chamfer of about 0.11. Select the internal polygon, inset at about 0.55, extrude backwards about -0.17, inset by about 0.09, and extrude by about 0.3. Select the edges and chamfer at about 0.06. Okay. Select the back polygon. Actually, just move this out. Select the back polygon, and you want to inset by 0. Okay. Drag it out a bit, and use the scale tool to increase the size. A little bit more. Okay, stick the entire thing and push it back in. Alright. Looks pretty good. Next we're going to create a cylinder using AutoGrid. Doesn't really matter what size right now. Align it with that. Everything but the X. Give it 5 sides. Shrink it down a bit. Make the height about 0.446. Convert it to an editable poly. Select those edges and chamfer it just a bit, about 0.04. That'll be it for part 11. I'll see you in part 12.